make fishy blue. First need purple balloons. Red goes right here, and blue balloons go right there. Pink one goes right here. This one goes right there. Yellow one goes right here. Red, blue, pink, purple, and yellow. Water.
Let's put the funnel
Over here.
with the yellow balloon. Let's do color pink.
Pink. You like pink?
I like pink.
I like blue and yellow.
Okay.
Go over here in the bottom.
And last one, color
Red.
red.
I love red. The pink one goes to the bottom.
Okay.
This is air. This was in the air. This is so much fun. Woohoo! I'm not getting wet. Now I can play fishy blue. You can play all the day.